Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to this Monday afternoon, July 25th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. Very quiet day. We have an inside day. That's number one. So does Russell. Qs took out Friday's low, but they're still in a 4-day balance. We end 10 wide. We won 9 for 9 wide. We took out both sides of the IB. Now, a couple of real quick things. I didn't do a lot of trading. I am transferring for now. Looks like I'm going to start trading futures. I'm getting out of my other platform I'm on, and just open up an account, futures account. Should be able to go live by the end of this week, but I'm going to start slow, and I started doing some sim trading today on it. So first I traded options this morning. I did okay at it. I took a short in C period, a 395 put, made small on that one when it looked like we might try to get B's low. Didn't get it, and so I took off the balance of it, but made money on it. Actually took a long in D, a small one, thinking we would stop the one-time framing down, which we did. But then it didn't get much legs on it. I still had some. So when it came back in, took it off for a small loss. I mean, today was just pretty useless. But then when it came in some more, I took a long again, and it went back up, and I made money on that. Again, not a lot on these things. F period, I thought it would be an afternoon pullback low. I took a 394 call, which worked out nicely. Nothing big. Now, it didn't turn out to be an afternoon pullback, but at the time, it paid me. Basically against value low. At the time, and around half back at the time. And then in G period, took a short, not the first time, but the second, I forgot which time it went up. When it went up, didn't look like it was going to have any tempo and any enthusiasm to go trend. Wasn't looking for that today. We had unchanged indices, we had unchanged value, we had an inside day. The market, the fact that we took out both sides of the IB just gave you an indication on such a small range. It's one of our smallest ranges of the year. It's only $3.26, something like that. So one of our smallest ranges of the year. And then after that, I went to some sim trading. I mean, I did things I wouldn't ordinarily do. I was trading the ES mini. The only trade I really would have taken, whether I was trading options or futures, was when K took out B's low initially to fade it, which would have paid me pretty nicely. Once L came down again, I don't think I would have done it. I'm not surprised M ripped apart the shorts, right? The market tried to push down JK and L. Those were shorts pushing, got nothing for their efforts, and M put them to bed and went right back up to POC so we can get 10 wide. The POC, let me see something. The POC was at 394.53. So the POC's going to be a downside destination. So as far as destinations go, our upside destination will be today's high of 396.47, and then you should have everything from Friday that I gave you. Our downside destination will be today's low. The POC 10 wide of 394.53. Then today's low of 393.21. And you should have everything from the downside that I gave you on Friday. Look at the way this thing is pushing up. And then on the charts, just going to show you the daily. Now, keep in mind, we did not take out yesterday's high. It's an inside day, but it doesn't stop the one-time framing up. So technically, this is the longest all year of 2022 that we have not taken out a previous day's low. So it's technically one-time framing up 7 days, even though it's an inside day. I will call the daily up to balance. Still not going to just go balance. I'll call it up to balance. If we take out today's high tomorrow, then depending on how much we take out of, which basically still be up. But if we take out today's low, we'll certainly be coming into balance. Again, I would expect. I know there's a lot of earnings out tomorrow, but the big ones don't start until tomorrow night with Google and Microsoft, and then again the Fed on Wednesday. So I wouldn't doubt we have maybe another quiet day tomorrow. The volume was horrible. The range now is contracting. But again, the weekly's up, and the daily's at least up to balance. But the big news is I'm going over to the dark side, and I'm going to start trading futures, it looks like, in the very near future. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. Hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.